Kitchenaid bottom freezer. Need to know how to take out freezer rack and bins.
Hello from JA, my name is Woody. I will be glad to assist you today. I have been servicing all major brands of appliances for 34 years, and have over 100,000 in-home repairs and over 60,000 phone and internet repairs under my belt. Can you please check the model number once again, please? I find NOK Fees 29 BBS00.
That is the correct model. I received the evap motor fan today from ordering off this model hash.
Are you sure the model is NOK Fees 29 BBMS00? Because with just Fees 29 BBS00 I get all these numbers: Fees 29 BBBL00, Fees 29 BBBL01, Fees 29 BBBL02, Fees 29 BBBL03, Fees 29 BBMS00, Fees 29 BBMS01, Fees 29 BBMS02, Fees 29 BBMS03, Fees 29 BBWH00, Fees 29 BBWH01, Fees 29 BBWH02, Fees 29 BBWH03.
Fifth one down in list.
Thank you. To remove freezer rack, you first have to remove the freezer door. Open the freezer drawer to its full extension. Remove the two screws at the top, inside the drawer front, one on the left-hand side and one on the right-hand side, that fasten the drawer front to the drawer glides. Lift up on the drawer front to release the plastic studs from the drawer glide bracket slots. Pull out the freezer drawer glides to their full extension. Holding the drawer front by its sides, align the two plastic studs, located at the bottom, inside the drawer front, with the drawer glide bracket slots. Note, it helps if one person holds the drawer glide steady while another person aligns the drawer front and inserts the studs into the slots. This is also on page 9 of your use and care guide booklet also. If you do not have your booklet, let me know please. I will send you a link to the booklet and you can download it.
Yes, can you send me the page on instructions? Thanks.
Sure thing. Page number 9, http://www.searspartsdirect.com/partsdirect/user-manual/141151/Fees 29 BBMS00 Kitchenaid Parts Refrigerator Manual. Path render equals from Manual tab page.
This addresses removing the freezer door but not the top freezer rack. How do you get the top freezer rack removed? It's locked in on each side.
The top rack just pulls out, and with it all the way pulled out should just lift off the tracks. Then you can remove the rear interior wall to gain access to the fan. I found a video to help you remove the basket, rack and ice maker and rear interior panel. The video is just to show you how to remove everything in the freezer. https://www.youtube.com/watch v=VLMskency. Hope this helps.
Appreciate all the info. The video you referred me to. I'm familiar with that style, but this unit is a newer one and it's put together differently than the ones in the video.
Oh, the parts breakdown show to be the same. Have you been able to get the rack out and get to the evaporator fan?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.